Hello lovelies, welcome to the J Kingdom channel. This is a requested video on how to upload a premiere video. As you can see, I'm already in my channel. All you have to do is click this button on top here, create a video or post. Okay, upload video. Wait for it. Then select files from your computer. I will select the shortest video since I will just show you how to upload a premiere video. Okay, there you go. Then put some details, especially the title, of course. Then description, let's say music is life. Then the thumbnail, you can upload a thumbnail if you want. I am using Canva for making my thumbnail, so you can leave that if you don't want to, but I suggest you upload some thumbnail. It's better for your video. Then playlists, you can select here playlist if you have a playlist. Then okay, there you go. Okay, then this is the audience. Since it's made for kids, then I have to select this. Yes, it's made for kids. Okay, the problem with the made for kids is, and the shortest videos, you cannot add cards and add an end screen. These two are very relevant in one video. It's because the add cards, this is promoting one of your content in the video. So when you add this, when you watch one video, then in the side of the video there is the suggesting a video with the title. So that is a good thing. That means that while you are watching a video, then there is the video that another content that is suggesting to watch. And this add an end screen, this is the last of the video. At the end you can add a playlist, subscription button, and another relevant video that you would like to add and you would like to promote. Okay, then select next. So there we go. Save or publish. Okay, if you are a monetized channel, if you upload a video, you select unlisted first. Then you set in the schedule. Okay, so there you go. You can actually change the date and the time. Okay, then you can set as premiere. But if you are not yet monetized channel, you can go for public right away. Then okay, set at instant premiere schedule. There you are. It's okay. 21st, maybe I'll change it to 20, but the premiere is morning, like 9 a.m. in the morning. I think that is good. 9 a.m. 9/7. Okay, there you go. Okay, 8:45 a.m. in the morning. Set as premiere. Oh, I have to explain why it's unlisted when it comes to if you are monetized channel. Because if it's monetized channel, it takes like 20 minutes to determine if your video is suitable for advertisers or not. So you have to be very careful with that. So okay, that's what I'm doing if I upload my video, because I am monetized channel in my main channel, and the J Kingdom is just my second account. So I'm growing this channel now. Okay, schedule. Okay, share a link. Yes, actually you can share a link from your Facebook, from YouTube to Facebook, or other platforms video. So since I don't want to share it, okay, see, this is the one that I did earlier, but I will delete that because oops, here, delete forever. Yes. Okay, so this is the one that I just made. You need to check the things here before you will okay, this is the tag. So I put the J Kingdom, playing the flute, and Folklore de la Lune. Those tags are relevant to your video. That is for the search engine optimization of one video in your channel. So okay, there you are. This one as for if you don't have a thumbnail, then you can click that. Then here, video location, you can change that. Okay, category, it's up to you what category is your video, since this is music. Okay, video language, English. Actually, you can upload some subtitles here if you want to, with timing, without timing, but since that is so short, so no need. Okay, this is disable commands is because made for kids. And if it's not made for kids, enable live chat, you can click that. Don't forget about that. So if ever that your premiere is on, then you can gather your friends and family to watch your premiere, and they can also chat in the live chat. That is why this one you should click this. But since this is made for kids, no. So okay, now we are all good, right? Then check here, go. There you are, guys. The premiere is already set. So you can spread the news that you uploaded a new video in your channel. You can share it in your some other friends, or in your Facebook and any social media platform. The good thing of doing this premiere, it's because you can gain watch hour than the normal video. Like if the normal video is only 3 minutes, that means when you finish the 3 minutes, you can only get 3 minutes per views. But the difference of premiere, the good thing in this, if it's premiere, this is like live streaming, that once the premiere is on and a lot of people are watching, so it depends on the people are watching. That's the thing, that you can gain more hours of the videos. So that means more people, more watch hour, right? And the good thing is you can chat in the chat box, like you can engage with your friends on whoever that is watching the video at the same time. So for instance, like if that is 3 minutes, if a lot of people are watching, you can get like 3 hours, 5 hours and more. See, that's the difference of the normal video and the Premiere when you upload it. So I really suggest that you, if would you like to upload something good content, then do it in Premiere. Okay, I will see you again, guys. That's all for now, and I hope you learned something from this video. Take care, everyone, and see ya in my next tutorial. And whatever that you want to learn, something you want to know, just comment in the our chat box there. Okay, comment section, whatever that you want me to do. Okay, thank you for your time, and thank you for watching this, and please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and do subscribe, guys. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate that. Bye. Thanks.